Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your USD into CAD or Canadian dollars. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got paid in USD on PayPal, but you can't transfer it to your bank because you need it to be in Canadian dollars. How do you actually go ahead and convert that currency? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your PayPal account. Next, click on the drop-down menu where it says Manage Money, and then click on View Money page. Now, on this page here, where it says Currencies, you're going to click on Convert Currency next to US dollar, and then from here, you're going to change the target country to be Canadian dollar. So once you've done so, just simply click on the next button, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert USD to CAD on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.